about the program. This is a very comprehensive, in-depth training program on the understanding and troubleshooting of a ControlLogix-based system, consisting of numerous review questions that relate to the real world as well as practical troubleshooting approaches, examples, and situations. In this first module, we're going to jump in and cover some basics of standard PLCs, including operation and functionality, and how standard PLCs differ slightly from the ControlLogix platform. We will also cover the fundamentals of number systems, which provide the basis for digital control. Then we will move to the understanding of logic and binary concepts, which are used as the foundation of not only PLCs, but also of computers in general. In the second module, we will cover the ControlLogix hardware composition, which provides a solid foundation on important topics of input and output or I/O addressing and tag referencing, a word that you may have heard in ControlLogix circles. Then we're going to jump into understanding ControlLogix projects by creating one based on the fundamentals of the hardware composition and architecture and how it relates to the inputs and outputs that we troubleshoot in a control system, all along with the use of the Studio 5000 software. We will then cover how we establish a communication and connection with a controller to download a project and go online in order to troubleshoot any problems in the system. Then we will move to the ControlLogix project organization and the understanding of frequently used tag structures that we need to master in order to properly troubleshoot a system. In Module 6, we'll cover the important ControlLogix ladder structure and basic instructions that we will need to understand to properly troubleshoot programming code in a system installation. In the 7th module, we will look at creating and editing tags and code and deal with the importance of documenting our troubleshooting changes in the system. In Module 8, we attack troubleshooting using the Studio 5000 software and learn how to use several special program control instructions for testing and troubleshooting sections of ControlLogix code. We will also cover using the forcing and toggling functions when troubleshooting. Then in Module 9, we go over the troubleshooting of discrete and analog I/O hardware components and the importance of understanding module configuration to avoid problems during troubleshooting. In the final module, Module 10, we cover remote I/O subsystems as well as troubleshooting the controller and power supply, as well as other potential problems we can face during troubleshooting such as noise, interference in the system, and heat. Then, to finalize this module, we go over two important tools that are available in the Studio 5000 which help us troubleshoot a system: the trending function and the compare projects tool, which allows us to compare two ControlLogix projects to find the differences. We will present the Studio 5000 for both the classic as well as the contemporary look, which are present up to version 30 for the classic and from version 31 on for the contemporary.